The history of the 1692 Salem witch trials is an incredibly fascinating one, but it's also complicated and nuanced. So today, we are going on a guided walking tour to learn all about the real story right where it happened.
Welcome to Salem!
We are here the week before Halloween, which means Salem is bustly and colorful and exciting.
Welcome to the Witch House. This is one of the oldest buildings in Salem.
So our guide is walking us through all the events that led up to the hysteria of the Salem witch trials. It's a lot to unpack, and I'm glad they're so knowledgeable.
Locals like to talk about the curse of Salem. A lot of weird stuff has happened here.
I don't believe in ghosts or haunted things, but I just learned a pretty crazy story about the building behind me. It's a hotel now. I am not staying there.
The minister that was murdered up in the tower, sometimes at the right time of day, sometimes midday, you can look up and see him right in the window.
That was really entertaining.
This is now a museum, but it's open Saturday and Sunday. We leave it alone during the week so that these women can be in peace.
This tour is so fascinating. Our guides are amazing. We are now walking through the oldest neighborhood in Salem. Check out these massive mansions, and they've got cobblestone sidewalks.
You can see those little headstones right there? Those are actually footstones.
So it was Bridget Bishop in the first execution. 6 months later was the last execution.
That tour was awesome. It was the perfect combo of spooky meets informative. I feel like I got a deeper appreciation for the women who were labeled as witches, and we got to witness firsthand where the trials of 1692 happened.